In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Outlook. Before we dive in, there's one important thing to know. This integration is only available on the Notion Enterprise plan. So if you don't see some of the options I'm mentioning, it may be because your workspace isn't on that plan. Assuming you have access, let's walk through everything step by step. Start by opening Notion and heading to your main homepage or workspace. This is usually the first screen you see when you log in, where you can access your sidebar, pages, and workspace settings. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one, because the integration will be added to the workspace you have selected. Next, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the left-hand sidebar, under your workspace name, or in a menu that appears when you click on your workspace icon. Go ahead and open Settings. This is where you manage things like members, security, and, in this case, connections. Inside the Settings area, find and click on the section called Connections. This is Notion's central hub for integrating with other tools and services. It's where you can see which apps are already connected and where you can add new ones. From the Connections page, look for a button or link that says Browse Connections in Gallery. Click that to open Notion's Integration Gallery. This gallery is a searchable list of all the available integrations, which makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. Once the gallery is open, use the search bar at the top. Type in Outlook or the name of the connector you're looking for until you see the Notion AI connector for Outlook appear in the results. This is the integration that will connect your Outlook account with Notion. When you see Notion AI connector for Outlook in the list, click on it to open its details page. Here you can read a short description of what it does and confirm that it's the correct integration. On this page, click the button that says Add to Notion. This will start the process of installing the connector into your workspace. Notion may prompt you to confirm permissions, so just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you'll be given the option to connect Outlook. Click on Outlook, then follow the prompts to sign in and authorize access. Once this is complete, your Notion workspace and Outlook will be integrated, and you'll be ready to start using them together.